to Sparklebox. Are you bored sitting at home this summer? Then quickly visit our website sparklebox.co.in and you can find a number of interesting and engaging activity kits over there. What are you waiting for? Quickly visit our website and grab some interesting activity kits for yourself. Today I am going to show you how to make your own teddy bear paper wallet. The materials required are origami sheets, Fevicol, scissors and sketch pens. Take an A4 sheet and fold it diagonally and then cut it.
Fold the sheet from both the sides. From one edge, make 2 folds as shown. Now, flip it and fold the sheet to the center from both the sides. The sheet towards upward. After arranging the sides of the sheet, fold it in half. Fold the left and right side of the sheet inwards as shown.
Let's paste the sheet. As shown. Cut a circle from a brown colored sheet, which we will use as teddy bear's nose. Circles and make bear's eyes. wallet is ready, you can share your work with us in our Instagram account. And don't forget to like and share this video with your friends. And kids, it's time for a